Hello my beautiful people, and a good morning from this side. How na day? I will say na day okay. I will say everybody they enjoy. I beg na today be your first time when they come across this channel. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share this video. And to my old subscribers, and I do well when I always stop by they watch my video. I say may God Almighty bless all of you. So today my people, I don't calm down or come on. Today when I just sit back when I watch how I take do this my meat pie, because today when I meat pie now carry come show you. So I beg when I subscribe if you never subscribe. So my people, now make a show now to do this thing. First I first put my oil for frying pot. I come add thyme. I don't already add curry before I start to the record because of my children. They will disturb. So here I get my ground meat. I dey pour am inside because now I go take do this the filling for the meat pie. So I go fry this meat now for about 10 minutes. When I don't see the meat is already dark, everywhere don't brown, then I'll come add other things. I bet when I don't laugh this my turning stick, it just break as I dey use and cook. So me I not get any other choice than to just use them for this recipe. Then maybe I feel throw away. So when I know you laugh me, I beg. So guys, now see the meat now. Don't fry it now. It's 10 minutes. Don't fry everywhere. Don't brown. Everything don't just dey okay. The way I dey want now. So what I will do next now? I'm gonna add my seasoning cube, which is Maggi. Then after I don't add my seasoning cube, I'll come put salt. So after I don't put salt now, I can't carry my Irish potato. I don't do all those ones for off camera because when I know now, person will get children, not easy. You know, I know if they as in they do they record videos and at the same time see they attend to children. So I got to do one first. Now make I not feel record that part. So one I not use first. But I already slice my Irish potato and my carrots. So now I go pour some of the potato inside. I noticed that I say the thing too much, so I go just take small, put inside now. I'll come turn everything together. So after I don't put the potato, I'll come add my carrots inside. Come fry everything together. I'll fry this carrot well because I really want to make it soft. Make the carrots and the potato make them cook well. I go add some water now, not too much because I want make this filling make it taste very dry because I don't want too much water. Let's say everybody get the way they do their filling. So my own I don't want too much water for inside. But if you dey fry your own, if you just dey check am as you dey add the water, if you dey check your potato or your carrot, if you notice say the thing never soft, if you just dey add more water, but you just dey watchful for the water. So now wetin I dey do now. So now guys, I don't fry am. Don't cook this thing for another 5 to 6 minutes again. So I can't see and say the thing never see soft, so I put water before I can later come check on again. Potato now don't soft, so I will come comot am now because everything don already soft. I'm not go put either flour or corn to this filling because like I said before, I no wan make it too soft. Sooner I get my all-purpose flour, I also get my milk, and I still get some sugar. See, we no dey use sugar, but I still get butter. The reason why I wan put sugar for this thing now, I want that small taste of sugar because na honey na wetin dey. If I wan take tea, na honey na we dey use. Na only when I wan bake like this na I dey use a little bit of sugar. So I still get my egg. I don already mix the butter, the sugar, everything for inside my flour. So now I go put my egg. I put one egg because the meat pie when I wan make na just 6 to 7 pieces, so I no be many meat pie. So if you dey make your own, maybe as in if you dey make your own, say you wan make it many, if it look like that, add your own egg and the other ingredient. But this one na just small meat pie now, just to mix inside. They use only one egg and that small milk. So as I don't mix this thing now, as I don't put everything inside, I come pour my milk inside, mix am well again. You said you couldn't take us too seriously. Must admit I was relieved, cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. Fully aware this is a flash in the pan, and we can still have if you mix this your own with the food processor, food processor, how do they call am? You get one machine where they mix flour. Like me, I even get am, but based on say I no want to do am many. Na make I just use am. But if you get am, if you use that one, say because if you dey use am till they mix flour like this, the thing they as in it dey very, for me, it dey very stressful. So me, I know they like to dey use am now. Now only when I want to do small thing like this now they use them. So if you get your food processor or food mixer or baker, I don't know how they call that machine, if you use them. I bet Muna not laugh me. English no my proper language. So now I don't mix this thing finish. Now I come put this thing for fridge, make it rest for about 30 minutes. So now 30 minutes don't already pass. I want to start to cut my dough now. So I will cut it into small pieces so that it will help me to do as in smooth and well for my meat pie. Sure, now see the way I take the roller now. Once you come out from fridge, if you just see the roller like this, as the roller like this, the more you roll, the more you go smooth. Sure, now see, so now I'll cut am now. Just take your time, roll am. Just this part, not be as in no need to the rush. Take your time. Make sure say you roll am well so that you go smooth. Because if you no smooth, once you put am for inside oven, the thing go just dey break. So make sure say you roll am well, make it for smooth. So now see the way they do am now. One thing I don't notice for baking, if you not roll your dough well, or if you not mix am well, the thing no go come out the way you want am. That is, it no go even smooth, because when I first started to bake, that thing don't happen to me well. So now when I can't realize, okay, maybe I know they mix this thing well, I know they roll and when I make it, they be like, I can't change my pattern, I can't they roll and well, so I'm not gonna get issue. You know, see the way the thing just soft now. So now I'm gonna add my filling inside this my dough. I'll start to put on now. So after I don't put on, I can't press everything inside. Take your time, do and make for smooth well. Should not see the way I do it. Just take my time, do it. No need to rush. Now your kitchen, now you do your kitchen, you do it. You know, say you know how to do well, so take your time. Should not see how see the way it's smooth. So now start to roll the rest. Like I tell them before, my children they always a disturb. Not say no easy. Person will get children consider they do the record videos. You know just easy. Either they shake one thing or they shake the other thing. So I'm not gonna get the time to just record or then make I cut some parts come out. But now see I just show now how I take roll my meat pie. So this one I like now the last one I be this one I want to show. So as I say show now again. Show now see my dough smooth. After I don't cut and I can see roll again so that the corners go dey very smooth if I put my filling. Show now see the way this filling just dry. I just like it like this. After I don't bake this meat pie finish. The thing no go just the inside no go dey wash because I know say if you too put water for the filling, once they put am inside and the water say go even dey soak the meat pie dough and no just I know you like am like that. And make I say today I know just put too much water, I no go even put corn or flour. So now see the way it dry. So I just see water. At least I know just get problem. So everything just go well smoothly the way I just want them. So guys, after I don't roll and finish, and I see the way I take put this fake. The reason why I chook this meat pie like this now. Now if I don't put them for the my oven, that small space where we say I chook this place where I use fake to chook now. It go still the heat go still they enter through this place go inside so that the inside go done well. So now I break another egg again so that I go use and to brush this meat pie. But unfortunately I not gonna see my kitchen brush where I take the brush my meat pie. So I got to use spoon. Use what you get, achieve what you want. So my people I not fit give myself now. I still carry spoon. What they do and I can't see and say this spoon I will see yourself. You can't see go well again. So now what they do this thing where as they use this egg now till they brush this meat pie now. If I don't put that inside the oven, the thing now will come make come fine. It come be like say the egg will make the meat pie come they shine. You know, they give the meat they give meat pie another beauty. Now it be the reason for this egg. So no other reason. And if you see to me it's still good, but some people they know they do this part. If you not see do one, no problem. But to me I like as I they chop the meat pie, as I they see the meat pie inside the oven when I they bake am. Only the color alone self will make me even the hungry to eat the meat pie quick. So now I don't put that inside my oven. I put my oven the heat for 250 and I bake am. After I put am for 250 as I bake am for like 30 minutes. And see the reason why this center one come be like say you want the bone. And my daughter the time suppose carry this thing come outside. She can't get wetin she do now. I can't still go attend to her again. I not come quick comot that one. So my people, now the